What the fuck's going on YouTube? It's your boy Johnny Boy on the scene, aka the kid, aka the boy, aka Jumpin' Johnny, aka Johnny Jets, aka Johnny Ghost, aka Johnny Tsunami. And yeah, y'all know what it is, man. We're gonna do one wheeling at the skate park, man. I done this a few times a year ago, and yeah, we're about to see what's up with these kids. We're gonna skate with them for a little while, and let's fucking go, man. This is called How to Socialize and Have Fun, boy. Let's go. Let's go. I know what it is. Oh shit. Hold on. Bro, I got some new Vans. I forgot about that shit, bro. Gotta bring out the new video. Vans off the walls. We only got 9% left, bro. So let's fucking go. It's a quick fucking video. Look at that shit. That shit's nice, bro. Yup. New Vans. These are my work shoes, bro. So let me switch out of them real quick. These boys seem chill. Alright, let's go. Oh, come on. No putting this shit on. Let me put the camera down, bro. Go. Yeah, how y'all boys doing? Yo, I could get y'all. Could I record y'all for my YouTube? Yeah. Hell yeah, bro. How y'all doing?
You ever seen a wheelie grind before?
Hell no. What is that? Let's go. Ooh. Yeah, I only got a little bit of battery left. I'm on like 7, so let's just get a lot of shit in the beginning, bro. We don't have much time. Go, go, go. You're good. Hey.
Alright, let's see a wheelie. Wheelie grind!
Dude, wheelie grind, bro. Let's go.
That's not wheelie.
Oh. Whoop. Oh, that was sweet. That shit was sweet right there. Alright. Oh.
Really grind that.
Bro, you can try that shit, it'd be hard as fuck. I busted my ass so many times when I had to learn this shit. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, hell yeah. The earthquake. Fuck, bro, I gotta stay over there. Whoa, that was good shit, bro. That one fucking move was crazy. Ooh, good try. Yeah, that shit was dope. Hell yeah. Hey yo, what y'all boys' names? Say what's up to the, say what's up to the people.
What up?
we on we on 4%. You gotta finish up on something good. Oh, let me get off this shit. I don't even need this. Hey, the freestyle, the freestyle. Nice.
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah, what y'all's names again? One at a time.
I'm Dylan, brother.
Dylan.
I'm Tim.
Tim.
Natano.
Hey, Natano? Hell yeah. Yo, what's good, bro? Say what's up to the people.
What's up, people?
Shit. Oh, that shit was. I wouldn't even attempt that shit. That shit was next level.
I can't 180 it, but I can hold it.
Woo. Hey. Woo. Sweet.